Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock any LG phone out there, no matter if your phone is an old model or the newest model. The process applies and it's the same. Alright, let's go and start with the process. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to the dial screen. In here you will have to press *#06# and a 15-digit number should pop up on your screen. There you go. Make sure you write down this number as we will use it in our next step. Okay? So it's important to mention that the process it's not free. There is a small price to pay, but believe me, it's totally worth it as you will be able to use your unlocked phone with any GSM carrier worldwide. Alright? So let's go to our browser. Okay, in here you have to go to the unlockpanda.com website. In here you will have to provide some information about the phone. The first thing is the carrier, the original carrier provider. So in this case it's a United States At&t. Then enter the brand or the manufacturer, which is LG, and the exact model, which is in my case it's an LG G7 Think. Then enter the 15-digit number, which you found out on the previous step. Then you have to enter the email address where you wish to receive the unlock instructions as well as the unlock code. You have the option to enter a phone to keep updated, and at the bottom you see the cost and the estimated delivery time. Okay, so let's go ahead. On the next page you will see a brief summary. Make sure that everything looks good, and if everything is correct, you can proceed at the bottom with the payment. I'm gonna go ahead and do it through PayPal. You just have to log in with your PayPal account. Okay, and after you're done with the payment, you should be receiving an email depending on the delivery time, just like this. The email contains detailed step-by-step instructions and most importantly, the unlock code. Okay, so let's go back to our phone and we have to turn it off. Now we have to insert an unsupported SIM. In my case, I have to insert any SIM from any GSM network except one from At&t. Okay. I'm gonna put one from T-Mobile. And then I have to turn it on again. So after the phone is completely on, when I try to get in, I should automatically be asked for the unlock code. On my case, I already did it, so it's not gonna come up right now. But right now is where I should be looking at this message asking for the unlock code. So just go ahead and enter the unlock code that you got on your email and then press unlock, and that's it. Your phone should be completely factory unlocked and you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was very helpful, and if you have any questions, please write at support@unlockpanda.com. Okay, see you on the next video. Goodbye.